One of Romania's most popular medieval attractions is the picturesque Râșnov fortress, which is perched atop a rocky hill close to Brașov. Many visitors come here to learn about the turbulent history of the fortification, which dates back to the 13th century and includes sieges, valiant encounters, and medieval wars. Additionally, spectacular terrain surrounds the thin-walled stronghold, offering breathtaking views all around. The charming medieval stronghold that was constructed in the early 1400s to defend Râșnov and the neighboring villages from foreign attacks dominates Râșnov. Residents gathered their things and sought refuge in this huge stronghold whenever the town was threatened. Visit the town's cutting-edge dinosaur park, explore the interesting fortress grounds, and take in the charming central plaza. Râșnov Fortress, perched atop a hill with a Hollywood-style entrance sign, is the first place most tourists stop. Explore the ruins of over 30 centuries-old homes, including chapels, schools, and homes. Many of these structures have been transformed into shops that sell regional crafts and artwork. On top of the citadel, enjoy the breathtaking views of the surrounding plains and mountains while honing your aim at the archery club. Dino Park Râșnov, which debuted in 2015, is one of Southeast Europe's biggest dinosaur theme parks. Walk along a wooded hiking trail that traces the evolution of dinosaur as you enter the park beneath a massive dinosaur. Discover 45 fiberglass dinosaurs that are life-size throughout the walk. Additionally, there are playgrounds for kids, tree homes, and a 9D movie theater in the 1.4-hectare park. The Evangelical Church, which was built in the 14th century, is located close to the city's main square. Enter the building to admire the stunning mural paintings from the 16th century. Visit the city's Infotourist Center, which is located close to the central plaza. Ask the staff for advice on sites and lodging, and they'll be pleased to help. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Union Square, also known as Piața Unirii, is a pleasant cafe-lined square in the heart of Râșnov and a great location to relax and unwind. The Râșnov sign, the citadel, and the Carpathian Mountains can all be seen beautifully from Piața Unirii. The square's architecture is also quite attractive and colorful. The Evangelical Church is a lovely church near to Union Square. It is a historical and architectural monument. They built Evangelical Church at the beginning of the 14th century. They dedicated it to the patron saint of Saint Matthias. The church was constructed in a Romanesque to Gothic fusion style. The triumphal arch, the lower portions of the naves and the tower, and the large pillars of Romanesque elements. The sanctuary roots, heptagonal shape, retreating buttresses, broken arch windows, vaults with truncated conical warheads, and consoles were all created in the Gothic architectural style. The Râșnov Gorges, which are about 6 miles 10 kilometers outside of Râșnov town center, are a well-liked vacation spot for fans of extreme sports. Try bungee jumping, rock climbing, or ATV riding among these limestone cliffs.